Hey, I'm so glad the rain finally stopped because I really wanted to walk through this property that we have. It's on the market now. It's 604 T Olive. We have an open house this weekend, Saturday from 11 to 1. But I'm going to flip the camera around here and show you. This is the Grant Expanded. So as you can see here, it's a 3-car garage ranch. It's just under 3,000 square feet, and this one is actually going to be finished in May. So we got about 30 days left, and it's in the Augusta Green subdivision. We're going to walk on in, and I'm sure there's going to be some guys here working. Again, you got this big, beautiful open floor plan. Look at this island. This island is huge. This is much bigger than the previous floor plan we had. Got the 42-inch cabinets, beautiful fireplace. You've got your dining area here, covered deck area. Got your drop-off space here coming through the garage, the laundry area. Beautiful primary bedroom. And look at this bathroom. Beautiful tiled shower. It's gonna be a frameless shower door. Double vanity, and my favorite part, da-da-da. Beautiful closet. Okay, so that was the primary. Now I'm headed over to the other side. It's a split floor plan. We're gonna see the other 2 bedrooms up here. Walk-in closet, hallway bathroom, and our other bedroom on the main. Now there are 2 more bedrooms and another full bathroom in the finished lower level. They are working down there. I really don't want to disturb them. I'm going to try to sneak down there and see it so you guys can see what I'm talking about, but I don't really want to get in their way. Okay, so we're down here in the basement. Just want to show you the unfinished part. Tons of storage down here. I mean, there's so much storage. Got this kind of cool little hallway that leads to all of this. Kind of neat. Got your main finished area here. See, you guys are here working. All right, you got your 4th bedroom, your other full bathroom. Hey guys, and finally your 5th bedroom. And there you have it. Thanks guys.
Yeah, no, thank you.
This will be open this Saturday. What day is that? The 18th from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. 604 T Olive, O'Fallon, Illinois. Devin will be the lovely host.
I will, so come check it out. It's a gorgeous new build.